Hey guys, how you guys doing? Yeah, welcome back to my channel to watch a reaction video with me. So I'm back to Exile Tribe, the Ballistic Boys music video Animals. Please YouTube, I try my best. So if you guys see this video, that means YouTube didn't block it. Yay! So let's go. Rhythm zone.
What's your career?
Okay, skirt, okay.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, love that hair.
So close.
Come on with the auto-tune effects and the voice. Okay, J-pop. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. Okay. Oh, I love the coloring. Come on, neon lights bringing us back to the 80s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. I won't lie though, their voice being so deep. Wild animal. Yes. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. Ooh, I love his voice. Give it to me. Hey. Giving me, what's that show on CW called? Riverdale Tees. Archer Production Edition, okay? I'm a wild animal. Hey. 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 I'm a wild animal. Hey. I'm a wild animal. That's the only English part I can remember. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. Wild money, money. Hey. Tell me body until I'm something that can say. Animal. Hey. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. Hey. Wild animal. Hey. I'm a wild animal. I'm a wild animal. Hey. Oh my gosh, you could never get disappointed with the Exile Tribe. Talent. Japanese. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Japanese. Konnichiwa. So that was the Ballistic Boys, their song Animals from the Exile Tribe music video. This YouTube. Let's all pray moments of silence so YouTube won't block this. Done. That was a music video that was recommended by a few people. I've tried my best to get it out there, try my best. I said it over and over, Ballistic Boys, Fantastic Boys, the Rampage, there's so much group within the Exile Tribe, so talented, love all of them. And that was a music video. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. The Koreans are taking over J-pop. The P-pop girls are coming. The P-pop boys are coming. Malaysia boys are coming. The Japanese. Y'all better come. K-pop is taking over. P-pop is under. And M-pop is coming, giving y'all a run for y'all money. But I'm here for this. The talent within this tribe, it's superb. 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 Superb, whatever your pronunciation is. But I want to say for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.